this year BBD, we are kind of guaranteeing that this Big Billion Days will be the most affordable shopping event for the entire country. The kind of discounts that we worked out and the kind of offers that we've gotten is something that India has absolutely never seen before. And also the kind of new program that we also launched, the Flipkart Plus program, that will also kind of give an early access to the Plus users.
Yeah,
that's the differentiator.
That's something that you've done. You know, one thing that was recently noticed was we've seen a huge magnitude, an army, if I could say, of Bollywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood stars promoting the sale. Talk to us about it, because you're sort of the team that, what was the idea behind getting so many stars?
Big Billion Days is not just a sale, it's a milestone for the entire online shopping category. In fact, for shopping all in all, right? So you know what IPL did to cricket, that is what Big Billion Days is doing to shopping in the country. And just as with that, how there is a lot of glitz and glamour. And the idea was to take the same principles and create an entire ecosystem of everybody. It's not just the Bollywood celebrities. We have people across all regions. We have the people from the biggest influencers on digital.
Spent sleepless nights to really drive this. So, have you been on a lot of caffeine over the last few months to pull this off?
I think everybody here has been on a lot of caffeine, and it's been a lot of sleepless nights. But I think that is the love for our customer, that we want to do it. We want to give them something unique that they won't find anywhere else. That's, I think, the main.
Got it. What are you going to shop on Flipkart? Do you guys get the time to do the shopping, or do you just let others shop? You're putting in so much of an effort. Do you have friends and family telling you, boss, what are the deals? Tell me.
We just try to find out some time, but as you know, we have like sleepless nights and everything. We don't get really time to shop for ourselves. But I did tell my mom, I gave my wish list to her so that she can find out some time and shop for me.
Got it. Coming to you, furniture as a category is something that you've been driving. Yes. Indians shop for furniture really in a lot many different ways. So, what's really on the offer at this time?
So, Flipkart started chasing furniture 2 years back, and I think we realized that it is absolutely necessary to come in with full force for this BBD. We've gone and made furniture affordable to the masses, and that's what we've really done. We've got durable.